Okay, if you've ever claimed to love Chapman tools, stop whatever you're doing and look at this. We've been working with our good friends at Planeta Woodworking to design this really cool interchangeable tool board. It's designed to screw right into your garage wall or anywhere on your workbench. So these 3 toolbars that you see in the bottom are able to each come off. They're held together by magnets, and you can swap them around however you want. It's completely customizable. Then you have the 2 half bars on the top that hold all of your tools with the pegs. Those 2 half boards can also come off and be swapped. They're also held in by magnets. One of these half racks also has 3 extra magnets for putting whatever you want there, as well as an extra rack holder, bringing our total to 10 rack holders with 8 bits each, 80 bits total. Something that was super important to us was to accommodate people who already had our tools. So all of these racks are the same racks you would find in our master set or Mighty Master set. If you already own one, you can just purchase the tool board with no tools and insert the racks that you already have. And one of the coolest features to me anyway is that if you're not interested in screwing this into your wall, there's an option to use it as an easel as well. If you have any other questions, feel free to visit our website and shoot us a message. We'll be happy to answer.